So now you just want to fill it up till the bottom of the pod holder has water touching it. So now get a mug of warm water and drop in your growing pod to expand it. So while that's expanding, you can put your wick into the pot holder and make sure it's folded over like that. So you've got a little bit of the wick on the top so that the pod sits directly on it, transferring the moisture. Okay, let's put it together. Make sure the wick is touching the bottom, looped through. It'll still expand a little bit, but that's pretty much ready to go. So I'll just place it inside the reservoir and just use a toothpick to open it up slightly. Try not to spill into the reservoir. You just want to kind of loosely pick at this, the growing medium, make it a little bit less dense. So because the seeds are dark, it's nice to put them onto a white piece of paper. Then you can kind of control how many that you're placing. So there I've got 3, and then I just kind of roll this up and let them land in the pod. So I don't really bury them. I let them sit just loosely on the surface, if not just a bit below. Use that toothpick again to kind of position them. And make sure that they get moistened. So if they're not wet, then they won't germinate. So sometimes I even pour a little bit of water, just a small amount, just like a top of a water bottle cap on the top, just to keep them moist. Okay, and now put the light in. Make sure that you've got it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a good starting point. If you've got a 2 amp power supply. And now we wait for it to grow.